Welcome everybody into Providence. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until you're instructed to crosswalk. Please stop at the gate. The captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please be careful when you open the bin. Substitute your shifter flight could fall out. Go ahead and turn your cell phones on. This is the termination of this flight, so do make sure that you check around all those seat back pockets in your seating area. Make sure you grab everything of value. Also, folks, here in Providence, a lot of times as you exit down the escalators down into baggage claim, there's a lovely man that's playing piano down there that's greeting you. You guys, if you see him, give him some love, show him you appreciate him being up this late and playing you guys a tune. Thanks so much for joining us this evening. Welcome into Providence.